Hey guys, so for today's look we are going to be using these 2-time Nomadik twist in 18 inches, and I do have 6 packs in color 1B. So this is how the twist looks. They do have a little coil at the end and they're fairly small. I don't want you guys to think that they're like big twists, but they are pretty small twists and super lightweight. The loop at the end for crocheting is also fairly small, but I will show you guys how to get past this without a problem. So you guys, I had to do something with my hair. I've had these cornrows in for some weeks now, and I was just sitting on these twists, to be honest with you. So it's like, let me just pop these in. You guys know I always do my hair on fresh cornrows, but yeah, fresh braided hair always looks so much better than this stuff I got going on, you know. So yeah, do as I say, not as I do. And here, you guys, to get past that small hoop, you just want to open the twist up right at the base and then crochet it in. And so here I'm just crocheting it. I'm not gonna sit here and show you guys how I crochet because it is super easy and there are tons of videos, but I am showing you how I'm spacing my hair, which will give you the most natural effect. So I try to do less on the sides, and as you can see, I try and space them maybe about a finger width apart, and then going upward I try to kind of stagger them so you see that they lay flat. So I just try and stagger my braids as much as possible, especially on the ends and the back where I don't need as much hair. So this is how the hair is looking after 4 packs. If you could find a way to do singles in the front, so like single individual braids in the front and then maybe crochet in the back, I think this would be a nice come out as well. So yeah, anyways, you guys, here I'm just taking a little bit of gel. I'm going to just crochet the hair like as if it was still like in a braid. So that's how I kind of get my little loose hairs that have come out back looking a little bit neater, you guys. So I hope that makes sense. Anyways, I'm just gonna finish up this look with just finishing off the top of my head so I don't look so crazy, and then I'm going to just lay some baby hair. And after I lay my baby hair is when I realize where I can add more twist in. Do this step every single time I do crochet. I always end up doing my baby hair and still adding some hair around the perimeter if I can. Alright, hey guys, so I just wanted to share with you guys a couple things about this hair. To start off, I did not really think I would like this hair. When I put in the first 2 packs, I was convinced that I wasn't gonna like this hair at all, and now I absolutely love it. If you plan on just like having a style for a long time, you just want something to just keep in your head for a second, this is going to be a really good style for you because you can do so many different style combinations with this hair because the twists are so small. Also, of course, this reminds me of mini twists. That's probably why I love it so much, and I didn't think I was going to, because I typically try and do mini twists maybe once or twice a year, and so far I haven't done them at all. This kind of gives you the mini twist look without having to do all of the work as well. A few things about this hair: it's gonna be very easy, I can already tell, to overdo this hair. So I only use 6 packs, and I use the entire 6 packs. I do not have a strand left out. However, because they're so small, they're so tiny, don't get caught up in one section. That's why in the beginning you guys saw I had gaps and things like that, but because it's 125 twists in my head, and that's a lot of hair to you know, just for twist period for any kind of braids. So don't get caught up in just one particular spot. Kind of move it around because you can always add in the hair, and adding in is so much easier than taking crochet hair out. But this hair is very lightweight. Like I said, I have in 6 packs of hair. I wasn't really trying to make this hair very full, and a lot of you guys always ask me, how do I get my hair always to look so natural and not so bulky? And it's pretty much just the spacing. You just have to kind of pay attention to how you're spacing it and not do too much in one area. So for instance, I don't ever do too much on the sides right here or in the back, simply because it's not going to end up looking natural. I try and do maybe the top and then the sides right here a little bit more full versus, you know, my sides like by my ears, because that's always going to be covered and I really don't need that much hair, as well as the back. I'm trying to think of the right way to describe it because it's kind of like a spring twist, I guess, but I've never had spring twists, but they're just like really stretchy. They're really stretchy, bouncy, springy, and I like the, you know, the coil at the end of them. I am just really in love with this style. I think this might be my favorite style this year so far, and I was for sure thinking I was gonna hate it. So look how that turned out. I also could add a few twists. I could take some from the back and just add a few like right here on the perimeter, which I will probably do in a bit, just to make it look a little bit better, because I do have thinner edges, and if you do have thin edges, you do not have to worry about this hair, these twists pulling your hair, because I know you guys are gonna ask me how I'm gonna sleep with this hair, but I'm pretty much just gonna pull it in a high bun and throw it on top of my head and go to sleep, and that's gonna be it. I kind of want to do a giveaway on these twists. I think this will be a good one. Should I do one, dear? So me and my husband just decided that I am gonna do a giveaway on these twists because I really want someone to have them. And you guys know with my giveaways, I try and keep things very, I keep looking at myself, that's just not cool. I try and keep things very simple. So I'm gonna gift one of you guys with this hair, 6 packs of hair, exactly the same color, 1B, all that good stuff that I use. All you have to do is just make sure you are subscribed to my channel. That's number 1. Number 2, you must be following me on Instagram at JMarie. I will put that right here. And then number 3, list your Instagram handle and just tell me something about yourself. Very simple. So yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, put them down below. And yeah, I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.